नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself Dr. Aarti, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of interest is the development and inflammatory disorders of penis and tumors of penis. First, we will start with the phimosis. Phimosis is a condition in which the prepuce is too small to permit its normal retraction behind the glans. It may be congenital or acquired. Congenital phimosis is a developmental anomaly, whereas acquired phimosis may result from inflammation, trauma, edema, leading to narrowing of the preputeal opening. Paraphimosis is a condition in which the phimotic prepuce is forcibly retracted, resulting in constriction over the glans penis and subsequent swelling. Now, second condition is hypospadias and epispadias. Hypospadias is a developmental defect of the urethra in which the urethral meatus fail to reach the end of the penis but instead open on the ventral surface of the penis. Similar developmental defect with resultant urethral opening on the dorsal surface of the penis is termed as epispadias. Now, next term is the balanoprosthitis. Balanoprosthitis is a term used for non-specific inflammation of the inner surface of the prepuce, that is balanitis, and adjacent surface of the glans, that is prostatitis. It is caused by the variety of microorganisms such as Staphylococci, Streptococci, coliform, bacilli, and gonococci. Now, the next term is the balanitis xerotica obliterans. This is a white atrophic lesion on the glans penis and prepuce, and it is a counterpart of the lichen sclerosis at L. atropicus in the vulva. The tumors of the penis are the benign tumor, pre-malignant lesions, and malignant tumors. Now we will talk about the condylomata acuminata. Condylomata acuminata or anogenital wart is a benign tumor caused by the human papilloma virus type 6 and 11. The tumor may occur singly or there may be conglomerated papillomas. A more extensive solitary exophytic and cauliflower-like warty mass is termed giant condylomata or busky Lewinson tumor and verrucous carcinoma. General appearance show the tumor consists of solitary and multiple warty cauliflower shaped like lesions of variable size and exophytic growth pattern. In microscopic examination, the lesions are essentially like common wart, Verruca vulgaris. The features include the formation of papillary villi composed of connective tissue, stroma, and covered by squamous epithelium, which shows the hyperkeratosis, parakeratosis, and hyperplasia of the pickle cell layer. Many of the prickle cells show clear vacuolization of the cytoplasm, that is called the coilocytosis, indicative of HPV infection. The giant condylomata shows upward as well as downward growth of the tumor but is otherwise histologically identical to condylomata acuminator. The pre-malignant tumors or carcinoma in situ, this is include the Bowen's disease. It is located on the shaft of the penis and scrotum beside the sun-exposed area of the skin. On microscopic examination, the changes are superficial to the dermoepidermal border. The epithelial cells of the epidermis show hyperplasia, hyperkeratosis, parakeratosis, and scattered bizarre disc keratotic cells. Epithelo, erythroplasia, and querate. The lesions of erythroplasia of querate appears on the penile mucosa. Microscopic examination show the thickened and acanthotic epidermis shows variable degree of dysplasia. Bonoid papulosis. This is a lesion appear on the penile shaft and adjacent genital skin. On microscopy, there is orderly maturation of epithelial cells in hyperplastic epidermis with scattered hyperchromatic nuclei and dysplastic cells. Now we'll talk about the malignant tumors, that is squamous cell carcinoma. The incidence of penile carcinoma shows wide variation in different population. In US, the overall incidence of less than 1% of all cancers in males, but 3-4 times more common in blacks than in whites. The relationship of penile cancer with HPV is well supported. High HPV type 16 and 18 are strongly implicated and DNA has been documented in the nuclei of malignant cell. In India, cancer of the penis is rare in Muslim who practice circumcision as a religious rite in the infancy, whereas Hindus who are normally not circumscribed have a higher incidence. General examination show the tumor is located in decreasing frequency on the frenulum, prepuce, glans, and corneal sulcus. The tumor may be cauliflower-like, papillary, flat, and ulcerating. On microscopy, squamous cell carcinoma, both fungating and ulcerating type, is generally well differentiated to moderately differentiated type, which resembles in the morphology to similar cancer elsewhere in the body. This is my reference. I hope you enjoyed this session. If any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.